Hello lovers of Bookies Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in this season I'm going to be showing you how to prep your hair and have it looking like this, ready for styling and protected from ripping. So first you're going to apply your heat protectant to your hair. Then you're going to get your hot comb and you're going to slick that hair back. And check out a video I posted on how to properly use your hot comb to have the most sleek hair. So yeah. So you're just going to comb that hair back. So what we're trying to do is prep our hair for styling and secure it with our pins while preventing rippings. So after doing that, I'm going to use my brush to just get those stubborn flyaways to just slip in place. And then I'll go in with my hair wax so I can do some more slick down. So after applying, I'm going to take my hot comb one more time and I'm going to slick the hair back. Just get it out of the way. So guys, when I'm done with that, I'm going to get my spray and I'm going to apply it to the hairline. And then I'm going to blow dry it so I can speed up the drying process. So I'm going to use my comb to slick it down while I'm blow drying it. So guys, now that I'm done, I'm going to slick it down one more time. So after doing that, you're going to get your elastic band and you're going to place it on the top of on the front of your hairline, and then you're going to pin it down. So when you do it this way, you're going to prevent rip outs and you're not going to see any hole on your lace whatsoever, because this elastic band is going to act as a barrier between your lace and your hairpins. But if you have office pins, you could use that as well. So now we're going to tie this behind, and now that your hair is secured, you can begin styling. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification.